Welcome everyone, here's how you add a voicemail icon to your iPhone home screen. So the first step is you want to have the Shortcuts app on your device. You can see right here. If you don't have this app, it should be built into your iPhone, but it is also a free download from the App Store. Once you have the Shortcuts app, you're going to open it up. You're then going to tap on the plus. You're going to call the shortcut voicemail. You're going to tap on this icon here, tap on glyph, and slide across, and you should eventually see this cool icon. Tap on this one. Of course, there are a bunch of other glyphs you can use if you would like to. From here, you're going to tap on add action. You're going to type phone. You're then going to see phone number. Tap on this one, and you just want to enter in the phone number for voicemail. Now, very important to keep in mind, if your voicemail is something like 222 or 123 or a 3-digit number, you can't use the Shortcuts app to call that. So what you will need to do instead is find the full phone number, okay, for voicemail. So I googled my carrier name EE voicemail number, and then from here you just want to find the full phone number, okay. So this one is the one I want. The 3-digit number again will not work in the Shortcuts app. You're then going to paste that in here. You're then going to search for cool. Tap on this one. So now it's going to call the number you added. So to test if it works, just tap on the play. Now you can see it will instantly go and call. So if that's the case, we can now tap on share. You're going to find add to home screen. Tap on add, and now you have a voicemail shortcut on your home screen. Tap on it and it will immediately bring you to your voicemail. So with that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.